The car industry has made significant progress in reducing vehicle emissions through lightweighting and more efficient drivetrains. For a more sustainable approach to vehicle construction, car makers are also investing to make their manufacturing sites carbon neutral. This focus on environmental impact is leading to new requirements over the full life cycle of the materials used. Taking up the challenge, Tata Steel is developing a portfolio of innovations to become a carbon-neutral steelmaker. Tata Steel's flagship Hisana project, in combination with CO2 capture, reduces our emissions by up to 80% and allows processing of up to 50% scrap. Our water electrolysis partnership will produce hydrogen from renewable energy to replace carbon in our manufacturing processes. Our partnership to convert byproduct carbon monoxide to naphtha also demonstrates our mission to reduce our environmental footprint. We are also exploring options for materials recovery and reuse, including manufacturing with the end of life in mind, using product passports and intelligent sorting technologies. These initiatives will result in more responsible use of Earth's resources. Tata Steel is a world leader in life cycle assessment. In automotive, we offer support to car makers in assessing product circularity, traceability, and developing a transparent, sustainable steel supply chain. Tata Steel, working with you on sustainable vehicles and value chains. Building and protecting your brand value by using sustainable materials and practices that support you in achieving a lower environmental footprint.